Gbogbo ìgbẹ́ kọ́ ni ọdẹ ti ń pọ̀yà. Gbogbo ogun kọ́ ni akíkanjú ti yege. Gbogbo ìgbẹ́ ńkọ́ ni ọdẹ ti ń pa ọ̀yà. Gbogbo ogun kọ́ ni akíkanjú ti ń yege. This proverb is telling us that it is not in every bush that the hunter can get the choicest animal to kill, and not in every war that a strong man can become successful. Sometimes we may need to accept defeat. He who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. Yoruba still says, "Mọ̀jà mọ̀sá làá fi makíkanjú lógun." Ẹni tó bá mọ̀jà tí ò mọ̀sá, irú wọn kì í pẹ́ bógun lọ. Sometimes you have the ability. Sometimes you are well known to have achieved success in the past in that area, and you are called to such a business, to such a fight, to such an issue. You should apply caution. Don't just jump at any challenge blindly just because of your past success. Always apply caution in your journey in life. Gbogbo ìgbẹ́ kọ́ ni ọdẹ ti ń pọ̀yà. Gbogbo ogun kọ́ ni akíkanjú ló ti máa ń yege.